doing an unboxing of everything I have gathered up over the last week for our next year of homeschooling. This will be grades 7, grade 4, 3, 2, and 1. So we're going to start by opening everything I gathered up from Walmart, and then we're going to go into the boxes I got delivered from Amazon. So I got this schedule to write down my schedule and planner for homeschooling. It says on the beginning, a whole llama love. I thought that was so cute. So that's the planner.
That gets a thumbs up from Homeschool Dad.
And I picked up these packages. Each one has 400 in it. They were only 97 cents.
97 cents for
Yeah,
400 pieces
that
of
was a
paper?
good deal.
Was it on sale?
Yep. Right now Walmart has the back to school sale going on. So I stocked up on school supplies. A whole whack.
It's paper.
I think I picked up 10 packages. And that should make it through the year no problem.
So you only have to pay somewhere around $10, huh? Whole
Yeah.
bunch, a few thousand pieces of paper.
Yeah. $10 right here.
That's pretty good.
And I got myself some new whiteboard markers. Came with a squirt bottle to clean the whiteboard and an eraser. I picked up a whole bunch of pencils, and I seen these really neat colorful pencils. They're not colored pencils, they're regular pencils, but they're colorful. Aren't those neat?
The purple one. Yeah.
You like them?
We can all use our favorite color.
Cool. You wanna see? Wanna look at them?
I'm gonna look at one.
My favorite color's in there. So when we
Can I
discover
look at
we
one?
use our favorite
Whoa,
colors
the tops are way different. Can I look at
Yeah. I got a fancy calculator for the class since my oldest is doing more advanced math now. That'll help.
Yeah, it's really helpful.
And I got a couple more packages of pencils because my kids go through them like crazy. These were like $5, $4.97 I think these were.
Whoa, 60 pencils are more expensive than 400 pieces of
This
paper.
is another colorful one. And I got sticky notes for my planner in case I need to add little notes in there.
Pretty big notes.
Some erasers
Yeah, we need a
and
lot.
a pencil sharpener.
That's a nice one.
Now I picked up a bunch of these. These were $1.97 for 64. Yep, 64
One
crayons. So that's a pretty good price. $2.
No, I was into them yesterday.
So I got 5 packages, a couple scissors. I have more scissors here somewhere.
Yeah.
Markers.
Yes, a nice big pack of markers.
Wow.
Oh, it's 2 layers. There's like
Yeah,
it's
there's
stacked
50.
up too. That's a lot.
Yay, you got paintbrushes.
Yeah, I got
Way more than
5
last time.
packs of paintbrushes
So we can paint.
for each of the 5 oldest for painting.
Can I paint 2?
Now we can all have big and small.
They
set
will
of
be
brushes.
able to have 4 different sizes each.
The smallest is the best because you can put in details. To make it work better.
Oh, this is another pack of markers. I already showed you these. I got 2 packs of them.
Wow, 100 markers.
Some glue. You never have enough glue.
So
Nope.
this one will be here for a while.
And 2 packs of color pencils.
Cool.
And another 100.
Now, these, I bought a whole whack of these, 200 pages each. They were 50 cents each.
Cool. I like them.
Yeah,
purple one.
they're nice and colorful. There's yellow and green.
And these
and
will last me the
red.
whole books.
Yeah.
100 pages.
Because
Yeah.
the
200
50
pages.
to 50 to 64 page ones are nearly long enough.
We got
Those are too long.
So many.
so much books.
Too many.
I know I didn't need more of these, but I couldn't resist because of the colors of them, because I have a whole stack still left over there. And I have got myself some pens for when I'm grading things, tests and stuff like
There's
that.
one in my bag.
Yep, there's another bag over here.
You got 200. And last is paper and color.
Got construction paper for
You got-
crafts.
Mommy
Oh,
got
here's some
there's white
special.
paper
Erasers.
mate.
Wow.
Let me see.
Those are so cool.
You like those?
Let me see.
Yeah,
Those
can I
are cool.
A pack? I want to check out a pack.
And I got each of the 5 oldest that are in school a sketch pad for art.
Whoa. Oh,
So
and
we all have our own.
so we
Cool.
we can draw with them.
Oh, these
every
were
time
extras
we want.
because they have 8 different colors in this one. So when I'm
We can
drawing
draw in those whenever we want.
fancier stuff on the board.
You got 2 of them.
And here's some more scissors.
Oh,
Yeah.
tiny
I
ones.
bought a few packs so everybody could have scissors.
The tiny ones. I don't think.
What do you got there?
I think my hands are too
just
big
more
for the
erasers.
tiny ones.
No, the tiny ones are for the little ones.
Yeah.
The bigger ones are for the you guys.
Me and Aiden. This is me.
So that's
that's a lot.
my Walmart haul.
Check out the pack.
Now we'll get into the packages.
We could use this.
Where'd my scissors go?
They're buried.
There we go.
What's in the
Open.
packet?
Well,
Open
I'll
it?
put it up here so the other camera can see.
Can I open?
Box number 1.
What is it?
School book.
We've got Do-It-Yourself Homeschooling, Canada, Our Great Great Country. This is a geography book for my oldest.
The thinking
Yeah.
tree.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
All kinds of lessons about Canada.
Cool.
I got her for English a grammar workbook and a cursive writing handbook for teens because
Also
it's good
for
to
me.
always practice your cursive writing.
I already have it.
This has nothing to do with
Right.
homeschooling, but I ordered myself a Doppler because right now we are currently pregnant with baby number 8. So we're having another one, and since I'm doing a home birth this time around, we thought maybe we'd have a Doppler in the house to hear the baby's heartbeats, check up on the baby.
Aw. I want to hear it.
I already have a giant cursive writing book that I haven't even touched.
So
yet.
that's box number 1.
Wow. I can't wait to see what's in box
Can I
number
open this
4.
one?
You want to cut it open?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look, look. I can't wait. Is it some more book?
Careful.
yes, be very, don't cut your fingers.
Don't
Don't-
cut the
don't-
things inside.
That's the most interesting way I've ever seen somebody use scissors to open a box.
Books.
All right.
Books.
So in this
Math.
box,
Math grade 7.
yeah, math for my oldest,
It's exactly the same as the other one, only 1 grade higher.
and an English book. Can you hold on, calm down. And an English book for the oldest. And I got 2 bingo games to practice sight words with the younger ones as they're learning how to read.
Yay! They're not for you. They're for me and
Grade
Aiden.
7 science for my
No,
oldest.
the youngest. No, you and Aiden are learning.
And grade 4 science for this one right here.
I have the grade 5 science book like that.
And this I got to decorate our classroom. It's the alphabet
The alphabet.
So we're gonna put this up along our border. I think that's where it's gonna go.
Another one.
And I've got some decorations for our homeschool class here. Let me
Yay,
open.
decoration.
Let me open them to show you.
Weather stickers?
Nope, they're not stickers. They're things to. The weather. These are things to put up on, hang up on the wall. Transportation. So all the different kinds of ways you can take transportation. The alphabet.
So all that stuff is really good.
Farm animals. They're
Ah,
slippery.
farm animals.
The seasons.
Woo.
Colors.
Colors.
A time one.
Yay.
Numbers. Days of the week.
There's no
Months of the year. And shapes.
Yay.
Colorful pictures to have around the classroom to help the younger ones learn words and shapes and colors.
I think it would be perfect if they were all placed along above the window,
Yeah.
so everyone could see it from the table.
So we'll move on to box number 3.
Yay. Can I cut open it?
I want to open it.
Here, I'll do it, guys.
It's hard seeing over this stack of books.
It's hard what?
It's hard to see over this stack of books.
Well, it's good thing you're tall.
I have to go up on my knees to see.
More school books.
More school books, yeah.
What? I wonder what's in this.
So this right here is a maps and geography book for the 4 other kids. They are for grades 3 to 6.
Yay!
Yeah.
I'm in grade
I can't do
2.
that.
That's okay. We can work on it and get you a little head in geography and maps. There's posters and stickers.
Stickers!
Yep.
Yay!
So they're quite thicker than I thought they'd be.
Because there's a lot to learn about geography.
So this is the grade 3. That's for you for
But-
next year.
I got grade 2 books.
Yeah, it's for
You're moving on to
after
grade
summer.
3 though.
I'm
And Chloe's moving on to grade 2. And Noah will be in grade 1.
Oh, it's fun.
And here's a geography book for Trinity, because the other one was just Canada. So this is geography for the rest of the world.
It's just not cool.
And this is
Plastic.
a Canadian curriculum grade 4 for Aiden. So that takes care of all the subjects for each of the kids. And I also got history year by year to go through for history class with the kids. And that'll keep us busy all year long. Lots of schoolwork to do. Lots of learning to happen. And that's everything that I got to get ready for the year. I spent about $700.
Oh my gosh!
You gotta keep in mind that I have 5 kids in school right now. And I do have things for Hope to do. She's only 2, but just to practice, get her practicing with writing and coloring and all that stuff. my husband asked me if we could to find some National Geographic books. So I started looking, and I picked up these today. Eight big boxes. This was the size of each box. Hundreds of books, and it cost me $50. $50 for hundreds of National Geographic books for our homeschool class. The deals are out there. You just need to look. You don't need to spend a fortune on things. Look for the deals.